Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your BMW's CarPlay capability and choosing wired versus wireless. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, then unlock it and keep it on the home screen so pairing can proceed. If using wired CarPlay, plug an Apple certified Lightning cable into the phone and the BMW USB port labeled with a smartphone icon. Once done, the car's iDrive system will detect a new device. Make sure you accept prompts on both the iDrive screen and the iPhone to continue. Next, you'll pair and enable CarPlay through iDrive. Go to Communication or Connections, then Mobile Devices, and choose Add New Device, pick iPhone. When a PIN appears, confirm it on both screens. This secures the Bluetooth link. After pairing, go to the vehicle's Apple CarPlay option and turn it on, making sure to allow CarPlay while iPhone is locked if you want hands-free access. If wireless CarPlay is being used, also enable wireless CarPlay in the BMW menu, so automatic reconnection works. Finally, start CarPlay by selecting the CarPlay tile on the iDrive screen or by plugging in the Lightning cable. The CarPlay interface should load within seconds. You can customize app layout in iPhone settings, General CarPlay to prioritize navigation or music. If CarPlay fails to appear, reboot your iPhone and the vehicle's iDrive, try a different certified cable, and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If that still fails, reset network settings on the iPhone as a last resort. It clears paired devices and often fixes stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.